Hello guys, this is Crimson Dante Gamer, and today I'm gonna show my new build for my computer. This is my monitor, my keyboard, my mouse, my stuff to wipe stuff, my Logitech controller. As for the system, for the case, I have a Corsair Graphite 760T. As you can see, it's quite a big case with LED lights and everything, which is pretty cool. This is made out of steel. I mean, probably not this part, but probably this part on the side panels is made out of steel, which is nice. Which means if anything tries to break it from here, if anything falls or anything, it'll be fine. These are my headset. Let me just put this real quick. Gotta put this real quick. There we go. My headset from SteelSeries. I forgot what was exactly the headset. Arctic something, I don't remember, but that's my headset. Logitech is from the G413 Silver. The mouse is from the Black Series G502, and this is Samsung monitor, 27-inch curved 180p screen with FreeSync, which is pretty nice. As for the system, well, I could have actually got a 2K monitor, but most of the monitors I looked up, I didn't like how the aesthetic looked, but this looks nice, man. The white monitor and everything, and plus the keyboard and everything else just goes so well. I couldn't pass on the monitor. It's really hard to get a monitor plus desktop and everything to go well together. But yeah, this actually really works. All in all, it works pretty well. I'm quite surprised. And this took like a whole year to really get these parts, every single part that I'm working on. And don't mind my messy bed. And as for the system, camera focus. Alright, the system. Alright, let me just... Oh yeah, by the way, this case has side-up panels, so you can open stuff with it. It's really easy to access the computer, which is pretty nice. Just move that out of the way. This is how the system works. Like, the cooler is up there. This is the pump connected to the CPU, which is right there. And this is the motherboard, which is a MSI Z270 gaming M7. These are my two RX 580s. I keep putting my finger sometimes underneath the fan by accident, so I'm trying careful not to put it there. My SSD is right here. It's a SanDisk to 40 gigs, which is enough for whatever I need, plus 500 gigabytes of space from the hard disk, which is all I need really for gaming. My power supply, 650 watts, is just enough to run everything I need on this system. And there's two more fans right here. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Oh yeah, for the RAM, I have two 8 gigs of on total of 16 gigs of RAM. DDR4 3200 megahertz Corsair. But yeah, and the cooler, I couldn't find the same cooler for my build. I was trying to get a master cooler, liquid cool fan build, but I didn't find this specific cooler, so I went with Phazon. Also had this cool blue LED lighting. I thought maybe I should have gotten a second LED lighting, but then again, those the ones with the extra fan is a little bit more expensive, so I just went with one. Besides, there's a fan right here and two other fans right here, so I think it's enough cooling that I get in the system. And the motherboard can overclock if I ever want to, but at the moment the motherboard runs with 4,200 megahertz, so I think that's fast enough. And this motherboard is meant for the CPU. You know, it's meant to really run it at its best. So yeah, there isn't much to really show. This here is for hard disks. Maybe something in the future I might need like a 1 terabyte or something, but overall I probably want to need that. So I probably will take off this. Yeah, or both actually, because if anything, like if I really need anything, I'll probably just put another SSD right here. I got 4 slots of SSD right here, 2, 3, and 1 all the way in the bottom, which is 4. Over here, I have like, you know, this is for like disk drives and stuff, but I didn't put anything because I don't need it, honestly. But yeah, that's it. This is Crimson Dante Gamer, and I'm just gonna give one more cool shot from the PC. Oh, by the way, if you guys didn't know, this is like magnetically, you know, there's a magnet right underneath there, so I can just put it right back there, and that's it. Which is pretty cool. Yeah, and that's basically it.